Let's munch.
Alright class, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make Biriria beef tacos. You know those crispy tacos filled with slow cooked beef and cheese that literally took the internet by storm. Everyone was making them. Excuse me, Mr. Let's Munch, you're late.
Yeah, I know, so I'm sorry.
That's not good enough. What have you got to say for yourself?
Traffic, there's a lot of traffic. Congestion.
Congestion? You're 6 months late.
6 months?
Yes, the trend started 6 months ago.
Well, I smoked last night.
Anyway, get prepared please. Biriria beef tacos. First, we're going to grab a big piece of meat. I don't get to do that often. We're going to cut it into smaller pieces. That's more like it. Season it with salt and then sear on all sides to get a beautiful color, then put it in a separate pot. We're going to toast some cinnamon sticks, and once they become fragrant, add them into the pot as well. Then in that same pan, I'm going to fry up some onion, tomato, garlic with some fresh oregano and our spices. Full details are on my Instagram, by the way. Once they soften up, we're going to add them into a blender along with a lot of fresh coriander and give everything a blend. Add that into the pot, and next we're going to grab our dried chilies. I'm using 3 different types of chilies. I'm going to take off the head top. You can take out the seeds as well if you're a pussy. Soak them in boiling water for 10 minutes and then add them into a blender along with some chili water and blend. Again, we're going to add this into the pot as well along with some beef stock, some crushed tomato, beer, lime juice and some bay leaves too. Just be careful. Cover and cook on low to medium heat for a minimum of 4 hours or until you can say no to the knife and deal with it with your hands. That's how real men handle their beef. Quick moment of silence for beef appreciation. Alright, that was awkward. Make sure to put some juice aside for dipping. You can strain it, but I like to keep mine chunky. We're going to dip our tortillas in the juice, place them on a pan and then fill them with cheese or beef, some onion and coriander. Fold and cook on both sides until crispy. And that's pretty much it. Make sure you dip so that it hits extra differently. And as always, the boogie's mandatory or you didn't enjoy your food. You know when the munch is so good that it actually knocks you out? Yeah, safe.